I love eggplant. I would mostly roast them, but today I decided to do fry eggplant. So you're gonna peel it. You could easily do the skin on, cut it into some strips, and then salt it. Let that soak. In the meantime, I'm blending some crackers, some salted crackers, and I am going to mix some water with some spices and coat everything together, and then put it in a very hot pot. Cook it on each side for about 2 minutes. Then voila, guys! I just cut it in half because it wasn't fitting in the pot. So I had some little sticks and plus the whole eggplant, and you can hear the awesome crunch. It was so flavorful, and the spices would be in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Give this a try.